Butcher. A butcher is a skilled worker who prepares meat for sale. They play an important role in the food industry. Butchers work in shops, markets, and grocery stores. Their job is to cut, package, and sell various types of meat. This includes beef, pork, lamb, chicken, and more. One of the main tasks of a butcher is to receive and store meat. When the meat arrives, butchers check its quality. They ensure it is fresh and safe to sell. Proper storage is crucial to maintain the meat's quality. Butchers keep meat at the right temperature to prevent spoilage. They also follow health and safety regulations to protect customers. Cutting meat is one of the most important parts of a butcher's job. Butchers use special tools like knives, saws, and cleavers to cut meat into different sizes and shapes. They must be skilled in using these tools to make precise cuts. Butchers know how to break down whole animals into various cuts, such as steaks, chops, and roasts. Each cut has its own purpose and is suitable for different cooking methods. Butchers also provide advice to customers. Many people may not know how to choose the best cut of meat for their recipes. A good butcher can recommend the right cut based on the customer's needs. They may suggest cooking methods, seasoning tips, or preparation techniques. Butchers often build relationships with their customers and become trusted sources of information. In addition to cutting meat, butchers are responsible for packaging it. They wrap meat in paper or plastic to keep it fresh. Proper packaging is important for food safety. Butchers label each package with information such as the type of meat, weight, and price. This helps customers know what they are buying and how much it costs. Sanitation is a crucial part of a butcher's job. Butchers must keep their work areas clean and organized. They wash their hands frequently and use clean tools. Regular cleaning of surfaces and equipment helps prevent contamination. Butchers must follow health codes to ensure that the meat they sell is safe for consumption. Customer service is also an essential skill for butchers. They interact with customers daily and must be friendly and helpful. Good communication is key. Butchers must listen to customers' requests and provide excellent service. They should also handle complaints or concerns professionally. A happy customer is more likely to return for future purchases. Training is important for becoming a butcher. Many butchers learn their skills through apprenticeships or on-the-job training. They start as helpers, learning how to cut and prepare meat under the guidance of experienced butchers. This hands-on experience is valuable for developing skills and understanding the trade. Some butchers may also attend culinary schools or specialized training programs to enhance their knowledge. Working hours for butchers can vary. Many butchers start their day early in the morning. They may need to prepare meat before the store opens. This can include cutting, packaging, and cleaning. Butchers often work on weekends and holidays, as these are busy times for meat sales. The job can be physically demanding, as butchers spend a lot of time on their feet and lifting heavy cuts of meat. Butchers also need to have good math skills. They must weigh meat accurately and calculate prices. This involves measuring portions and understanding pricing strategies. A good butcher can provide accurate pricing for customers and keep track of inventory. They must also be able to manage expenses and profits to ensure the business runs smoothly. Creativity is another important aspect of a butcher's job. Butchers often create unique products, such as sausages, marinated meats, or specialty cuts. They may experiment with flavors and seasonings to attract customers. Offering new and exciting products can help a butcher stand out in a competitive market. Creativity allows butchers to provide customers with a variety of options. Seasonality affects the work of butchers as well. Certain meats may be more popular during holidays or special occasions. For example, turkey is in high demand during Thanksgiving, while ham is popular during Christmas. Butchers must be prepared for these seasonal changes and adjust their inventory accordingly. Understanding customer preferences helps butchers meet demand and maximize sales. Butchers also need to stay informed about industry trends. This includes learning about new cuts of meat, cooking techniques, and food safety practices. Staying updated on market prices is essential for pricing products competitively. Many butchers attend trade shows or workshops to learn more about their craft. Continuous education helps them improve their skills and serve their customers better. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in sustainable and ethical meat sourcing. Many consumers want to know where their meat comes from and how animals are treated. Butchers can play a role in this trend by sourcing meat from local farms or organic producers. They can educate customers about the benefits of choosing sustainable meat options. This can help build trust and loyalty among customers who care about ethical food choices. In conclusion, the job of a butcher is both challenging and rewarding. Butchers play an important role in providing fresh, high-quality meat to consumers. They must be skilled in cutting and preparing meat while ensuring cleanliness and safety. Good customer service and knowledge about meat products are essential for success. With the right training and dedication, a butcher can have a fulfilling career in the food industry. They contribute to the community by providing a vital service that supports local diets and culinary traditions.